access possession. So what they were saying is like we members of First Nations need to always maintain ownership, control, access, and possession. Here are a few examples of Indigenous community archives. So this is a Canadian Voices, and it has community in British Columbia. So British Columbia is one of the states of Canada. This is only 9. So I've just did the screenshot with 9 of the links, the icons, the hives for those communities, but there's a lot more than 9.
What's the language to develop
Yes.
How is your experience?
Well, I have been visiting Northeast India now since 2018, and I have seen so many valuable efforts by the Bodo community as well as other communities to maintain and revitalize their traditional knowledge and traditional language as well.
How can we use MUKURTU?
I'm sorry?
How can we use MUKURTU?
Oh, MUKURTU. Oh, yes. So MUKURTU is a platform specifically designed to archive Indigenous heritage, if I can use the word Indigenous, so heritage of communities, both cultural knowledge and linguistic knowledge. It's a free and open source tool that's widely used in the United States and Canada, Australia, New Zealand, but it is pretty new to India. And so we are, I guess, leaders in helping communities in Northeast India to make this valuable cultural information, linguistic information accessible both to the community and to the whole world.
Nani, how many years you have been working here with this NIB?
I think my first visit was 2018, and the archive project, I would say, was initiated in 2020, so 5 years, I guess. Yeah.
How to develop, how can we read our people, Bodo people, how can read about this, how this NIB is working for that, how can you give message to them? Those who want to read about this.
Oh, I see. Well, I would suggest that they go right to the archive, which is the URL is bododimasaarchive.org. And they can just look and click around and see what is up there. I also have my personal website. It is just my name, ChristinaWasson.com, and it has a lot of information also. Yeah.
Thank you.